Hello everyone, Chris Jarzik, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I hope you're having an amazing day. I certainly know I am. The sun is shining. It's 85 degrees, another beautiful day here in Southwest Florida. Today I'm coming to you from Seasons in Bonita Springs. Seasons is a DR Horton community. There are not a lot of home sites left in Season. I'd say less than 30. I might be wrong on that. I can check the information and put that down in the description box below for you. I'm going to take you guys on a tour of a model that I have not done an actual home tour for. This is the Wheaton model. The Wheaton is 3 bedrooms plus a den, 3.5 baths, about 2,600 square feet-ish, give or take. So I'm going to do a little walk and talk and let you guys take a look at it. Might do a video with some music, who knows? No one said for me to stop doing these walk and talks, so I'm probably just going to keep doing them until people hate them. So coming in, we've got tall ceilings, as you can see, or high ceilings, tray right there, crown molding throughout. We've got front bedroom number 1. And mind you, this is not 100% complete, so they do have some punch out that they have to do, a couple little odds and ends that they have to take care of. Also, this Wheaton is on a 60-foot lot site as well. Go on into guest bedroom number 1. Or guest bathroom, sorry. I mean, I guess you could sleep in here if you really wanted to. Probably not good for your lower back, though. Coming over here, we have very large den slash study. Remember we said this was 3 bedrooms with the den or a flex room. You could use it as a bedroom. Technically it doesn't have a closet, so it can't be called that. We're going to actually go into the garage this time because this is a 3-car. Storage in Florida is always at a premium because we do not have basements here in Southwest Florida. So this 3rd car option does add extra space to store whatever you may need. Some people, if you're into fitness, will go ahead and create this space as a gym or cardio section, which in the summer, if you're doing cardio outside, it's rather brutal. But during the winter, it's perfect. Like I said, it's barely 85 degrees, a nice little breeze. What more could you ask for? Straight ahead, you'll see half bath number 1. Well, the only half bath. And then it will take us over to laundry room. You got 42-inch upper cabinets, slop sink, and granite tops. Again, nice flooring. There's not tile throughout in this one. There is carpet in the bedrooms. Washer dryer hookup there. Coming in to, this is suite style bedroom, because you do have your own full bathroom here. So bathroom number 2 and bedroom number 2, full ensuite with a decent sized closet. They haven't hung the racks up yet. Remember, this is not 100% complete. They've still got some punch out. So fast forward. Small storage closet for vacuum cleaners, winter coats. If you're coming from up north and you don't want to part with them, you can always throw them in there. Coming into the main living area, another tray ceiling. As we said, crown molding throughout. Large living area. I've highlighted this before. Very, very nice feature here. This is your plug. So if you do need a lamp here, however you decide to lay out your furniture, or if you have one of those fancy massage couches or a couch that can, recline electric wise, that's perfect. If you want to take a shot over there into the giant pantry, it's probably one of the bigger pantries I've ever come across. I mean, it goes for miles. As you can see, very, very large pantry. Almost a 4th bedroom, if you will. Nice granite tops matching the bathrooms, subway tile here, 42-inch cabinets. Kitchen island is here with a very large single bowl sink. And keep in mind, this is not Verdana or Babcock Ranch. They do not have natural gas here, just standard electric appliances. Take it over here to the large dining area. So you could call it a formal, even though it's not its own separate room. I mean, there's a lot of space here for a large table, easily seat 10 people depending. And what I like about this model is that you can have very nice views of your backyard, lake, pool, whatever you decide to put out back, and your lanai as well. Which actually we will go outside, but you can notice there that they do have water and electric hookup for future outdoor kitchen use. And coming over to the owner's suite. Plenty of space here for your king-size bed, larger furniture, very large owner's suite. Nice part about this, you do have size here, and there is still a pretty good amount of living space. I've said in other videos, I particularly don't care about the size of my bedroom because I don't really spend a lot of waking hours in it, maybe 5-6 hours a night. I'd rather have the living space, you know, where everyone can use it, but that's just me. Some people prefer otherwise. So coming on in, we've got closets on both sides. Put this light on real quick. Water closet here, a small storage closet which will get some racks, towels, and other overflow items that you could store there in your bathroom. Dual sinks, and this will be complete, obviously. Similar tile to this. They will do a glass enclosure here. Probably not to the ceiling, but fairly close. And as you can see, large walk-in shower, a little bit of storage here, and a shower seat. So let's run out back real quick. This particular model has a lake view. If you have any questions about the remaining lot sites, you can give me a call or shoot me a text. I'll put my number in the description box, and I'll tell you at the end of the video. As we mentioned earlier, we've got water hookup here for the sink and outdoor kitchen, and then also electric here with an exhaust. So you can actually have a full-on outdoor kitchen, and there's plenty of room for a pool. We'll go on inside and close this video out so you don't have to hear the maintenance and lawn crews. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Wheaton model down here at Seasons in Bonita Springs, Florida. If you have any questions on this model, this community, or real estate anywhere in Southwest Florida, feel free to give me a call. My number is 239-823-1685. You can also reach me by text at that same number. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description box below. If you would like more info on this community, feel free to click that link and I can send it over to you. But remember, there are not a lot of home sites left in here. I'll put all that information in the description box below. You can check that out after the video. I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one.